Hey guys, so let's prepare my saree with me and welcome to my YouTube channel. And first things first, so I open two windows to let the fresh air in. So actually we were preparing to go Batiklo and I actually prepared 8 sarees including my mother's. So the green one is my engagement saree which I wore from our home itself, and the other one I bought for myself. So today what we preparing is the green one, and these two were given to me from my in-laws. So let's get started. So to prepare the saree, the first thing is safety pins, and I think you need a lot. So I start them with normal ironing, like normal ironing in the sense I iron the whole saree first, and then I start with the pallu piece. And I'm not very good at saree pleating and folding, but this was a video, a time-lapse video I took just to record it for you all. So if you guys need a video on saree pleating like how I do and the box folding one, let me know. Enjoy the time-lapse video, and in the end of this video I have added the next video glimpse, and thanks a lot for watching.
பத்து விரல் கோலம் போட பூமி மேல முளைச்ச சித்திரன் அசைவ பார்த்து பார்த்து ஆயுள் கூடும் எனக்கு புன்னகையில் காலம் போக போகையாக சிரிச்ச பெற்றனர் யாருக்கு இங்கு யாரு காவல் மாறி போச்சு கணக்கு அந்த அருவிப்பான் அந்த தருவாடி சின்ன அருவிப்பான் என்று சுடுவாடி